Dear travelers, today we take you on a road trip to Asia's highest Chicham Bridge. Do you know Chicham Bridge kahan hai? Where is Chicham Bridge, the Asia's highest bridge? Before we explore Chicham Bridge, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for further informative travel videos. Chicham Bridge lies in the Himalayan regions of India within the Spiti Valley, a less explored region of Himachal Pradesh. This remarkable bridge spans on the gorge between the charming villages of Kibber and Chicham. Chicham Bridge history is very interesting. Chicham Bridge height located at an altitude of 13,596 feet and is around 20 kilometers from Kaza. Asia's highest bridge at Chicham spans 120 meters and was completed in 2017. Before this bridge, there was no road connection to this pretty Chicham village of Spiti Valley, and the villagers used to cross the bridge sitting on a span, a man-pulled ropeway 1,000 feet high up, hanging on a single iron wire on this gorge. This gorge between Kibber and Chicham is also famous for sighting of wildlife including the snow ibex, Himalayan blue sheep and the snow leopard. This bridge is also used as an alternative route from Chicham Bridge to Manali, which meets near Kyato village on the main Kaza to Manali road before Losar. The breathtaking views on a road trip to Asia's highest suspension Chicham Bridge is once in a lifetime experience that should not be missed. Please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further informative travel videos. See you soon.